Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to recover user account in Windows 11. Recovering user account in Windows 11 lets you regain access if you've forgotten your password or if the account is missing, whether it's a Microsoft account or a local account. Windows provides several ways to restore access safely. In this guide, you'll learn the steps to recover your user account quickly and securely. First is to turn on your PC and go to the login screen. Click I forgot my password. Enter your Microsoft account email address if needed. Click send notifications. Then complete the security verification from email, SMS, or Authenticator app. Enter the verification code you receive on your phone. Click continue. Create a new password, confirm it, and click OK. Sign in using the new password. Second method, restore a deleted or missing local account. Log in using another administrator account by clicking the star, then Settings. Go to Accounts, Family, and Other Users to recreate the user account if it was removed. Then follow the setup process and assign the appropriate account, type Standard or Administrator. And finally, restart your PC and log in to the recovered account. Tip: if the account issue was caused by system errors, you can also go to Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced, Startup, and use the System Restore to recover your account. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.